This topic deals with the seventh chapter in SS2, India, the land of diversities. The topic describes the features of India from the top of Himalayas to the feet of Nicobar Islands. Really, we have huge rivers, mountains, extensive plains, plateaus, coastal plains, and number of islands. Thus, really, India is the land of diversities. First of all, let's find the location of India. Watch the screen. Based on India's geographical features, we can divide it into four. One, that is northern mountain ranges. Second, northern Great Plains. Third, peninsular plateau. And the fourth is coastal plains and islands. Then let's explain the details one by one. Northern mountain ranges is the first part. Let's go through the map given there. This is the outline map of northern Great Mountains, and it can be divided into three. They are Trans Himalaya, Himalayas, and Eastern Highlands. Watch the screen and go through the table given there. And we must go through the features of each mountain region. 1. Trans Himalaya. The Godbanastin or Mount Ketu, the highest peak in India, is in Karakoram Ranges, that is the part of Trans Himalaya. The average height of the Trans Himalaya is 6,000 meters. The second region of northern mountain range is the Himalayas. These mountain ranges have a length of about 2,400 kilometers. The width of these mountain ranges is just about 150 kilometers in east and 400 kilometers in the west. These Himalayan ranges can also be divided into three. They are Himadri, Himachal, and Sivalik. And these are the features of the Himadri. Then second, turn to the features of Himachal. And the third, the characteristics of Sivalik ranges. In accordance with altitude, a wide variety of vegetation prevails in Himalayas. Oak, chestnut, maple are seen at an altitude of 1000 to 2000 meters and above. These are the coniferous trees such as deodar, spruce, etc. The third portion of northern mountain range is Eastern Highlands. Average altitude of the region is 500 to 3000 meters, and it's also known as Purvachal, Chirapunji, and Mouse Syndrome, the places were receiving the highest rainfall in the world is situated here, and this region is covered by dense tropical rainforests. And now we are going to explain the features of human life in the lap of Himalayas. First of all, we should know the characteristics of the soil there. The soil generally found in this region is mountain soil with high fertility. Sheep rearing is the one of the major means of livelihood of the people in the lap of Himalayas. The valleys of Sivaliks have been formed by the deposition of the alluvium brought down by the Himalayan rivers, and they cultivate potato, barley, saffron, fruits like apple, orange, and tea. The hill stations like Shimla, Darjeeling, Kulu, Manali were considered as the paradise of tourists. Now let's watch the significance of northern mountains. This is the importance of the northern mountains. Numerous great rivers take birth through the confluence of the streams originating from the melting snow in Himalayas. These rivers are known as Himalayan rivers. Look at the screen. These are the important Himalayan rivers: Indus, Ganga, and Brahmaputra. Watch the map given there and find the major Himalayan rivers, its tributaries, and the states through which it flows. Let's complete the table given there based on the map